Hi, I'm Barbara with WTI, and today I'll be talking about why my best friend is my Breast Friend nursing pillow. I discovered this pillow with my fourth child. This makes nursing so much easier. I was living with back pain and pain down my arm and feeling sore all day long, trying to hold my kids up when I'm nursing them. But this is so supportive and so firm. I'm upright and baby is in a good position. I love this because it has a pocket, and this is where I keep my nursing pads or any cloths that I need to wipe off the extra breast milk when I'm done nursing. I like that it has these little strings attached, so if I'm nursing on the right now, I put that one away. That way I know I'm gonna be nursing on the left side the next time. And I can also stand up, drink my coffee, and be having the support that I need. Of course, I'm always gonna have a hand under it for when I am on the go in and around my house. And that is my point of view.